In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip Gojo Shades in Cursed Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to access all of the accessories in Cursed Arena and how to equip them. You will be able to manage all of the outfits that you have by selecting this little icon here of this hat between the settings and the gift option. When you go over to this icon, you will be able to browse for accessories, titles, and moves. So, for the main focus of this video, we're going to be looking on the accessories tab, and you will be able to find a lot of cool stuff here. So you have the strongest one, blood arms, teacher's necktie, teacher's glasses, and of course you have Gojo's shade at the bottom here. Now you will notice that while most of these have a price in yen or boss kills, this one only has 50% boss drop. So for you to get this accessory, you will actually have to kill a boss, but it's not as simple as just participating in killing the boss. If we go over to this menu, we can see all of the bosses, and you will notice that if you are killing the strongest boss and you are in the top 3 damage dealers, you will have a 60% chance of getting Gojo's Shades. So basically, for you to get Gojo's Shades, you have to kill the strongest boss, and only if you are in the top 3 damage dealers, you will have a 60% chance of dropping them. Of course, other bosses have different drops, but if you get the strongest sorcerer, or the strongest boss, in a public or private server, and you kill him while being in the top 3 damage dealers, you will have a chance of getting Gojo's Shades, and afterwards you will be able to equip them. Now sadly, my character is a newbie, so I won't be able to show you how they look like visually, but after you get the Shades, you simply have to open this inventory here, and then click on Gojo's Shades, and your character is going to reflect the new visual. So you will be able to see the actual Gojo Shades equipped on your character. So to get him, just participate in killing the strongest boss, and if you are in the top 3 damage dealers, you will have a chance of getting Gojo's Shades. I hope I was able to help you on how to equip Gojo's Shades in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.